Guten Tag! My name is Bud Grasky, and I would like to share with you my family's quintessential recipe handed down by my German grandma. My grandparents immigrated in 1910. Northern German cooking is famous for combining meats with fruit, with the best-known combination being pork and applesauce. My grandma would also add raisins to that mixture. This poor farming family moved to North Dakota and continued to be poor farmers right through the Great Depression. This meant that she had to be completely self-sufficient in terms of feeding her family through the winter. There were no supermarkets nearby. This recipe is intended to be produced with all home-canned ingredients, including the meat, along with potatoes from the root cellar. So, complete disclosure, this is German soul food and nobody's idea of haute cuisine. You can scale this recipe up as needed. Take 1 pound of stew meat, 1 pound of potatoes, peeled and sliced, 1 tiny onion, 1/2 cup of applesauce. You know, having watched my grandma make her own applesauce, I would have loved to have known what she would have thought of one of these. Add salt and pepper to taste, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to accentuate the sweetness of the applesauce. Throw it all into a pot, cover with water, bring the mixture to a boil, and then turn it down to a slow simmer for 3 full hours, stirring occasionally. Frankly, I can use a much better grade of meat than my grandma had access to, but I let it boil for the full 3 hours anyway, in respect of her original recipe. And here is the result, which we call Yuckabuck. And yes, it is a disgusting Grey glop. But gosh darn it, it's our disgusting Grey glop. And even people who've married into the family come to love it.
No, they don't.
No, they don't. Gutes Essen.